Po, tinatawag ko po ang lahat ng negosyante, small, medium, and large na investor to please comply with the requirements of the City Engineering Office, like the occupancy permit, the building permit, and of course, if you will be able to acquire that pati yung sa Bureau of Fire, then mabilis po ang pag-issue ng permit. Isa sa isang priority po namin yun sa investment and development to make sure na walang corruption po. But kahit na gano'n na tayo ay business friendly, we want you also to comply and do not take advantage of the city. Yan lang po. And kami naman, we're very lenient, pero please do your job also to comply and apply business permit. At kami ay medyo stricto ngayon kasi kung ano yung in-apply mo na business, yun lang gawin mo. Hindi pwede yung mag-apply ka ng parang coffee shop or restaurant tapos paggabi umiiba na.
Opo.
So very strict kami ngayon. So yan, those are the warnings to all our business sector. But rest assured, Dagupan City will always remain to be a business-friendly city. Well, actually year-round naman kami nagta-tax mapping. And parati namin sinasabihan through the OSBC. So marami naman ho, take their time to apply permits. Pero medyo marami pa po eh. But tuloy-tuloy ang mga tax map po natin. Mag-comply lang po kayo kasi we also want to make sure na kung ang investor ay protected but our consumers must also be likewise protected.